How to join OKX affiliate program. If you're an influencer or a content creator passionate about crypto, you can turn your influence into affluence by joining the OKX affiliate program. And here is how you can start earning. All right. The first step is to go to your web browser and then type out OKX affiliate form or OKX affiliate application form, because it is this form that you feel that it would be used for you. Okay, OKX affiliate program. All right, and then click on the first option you can see there, which is OKX affiliate program. Join us and start earning, and then you wait for the page to load. Currently, OKX is having a downtime on their website. That is why the page is not loading. But after typing in OKX affiliate program, you'll be taken to another page entirely. On this page, you would see the application form. All right, just click on it and then fill out the form. After filling the form, it will be taken to OKX moderators team or moderation team already. And then once it's with them, it might take a while, but once your application form is approved, you would receive your unique affiliate link via your email. So, once you've gotten your affiliate link, you can now spread the word. You can share your affiliate link with your audience. When users sign up via your link and trade on OKX, you will earn commissions. All right. You can even earn up to 50% commission on OKX based on your referrals trading activity. All right, so this is how it works. So ensure you fill out the form, and once you get your link, put in the work, and you can always earn using OKX affiliate program. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.